Hello YouTubers, my name is Rob. I am the owner of a 214 Audi Q5, and about 6 months ago I happened to notice on my headlights that it was really majorly flaking, or I didn't know if it was flaking or what it was, but my headlights looked really bad. And I researched on YouTube, and I tried pretty much everything I saw people doing, except it never resolved my problem. In any event, I wanted to tell you quickly what I decided to do. I heard one person saying too that, was there any way to do some sanding because you start getting really tired. If you get wet, dry sandpaper, you can only get it normally down to maybe 800 or 600. And but that wasn't really resolving the problem. It wasn't getting off what was on my headlight. So what I did is I went to Amazon and I bought a pack. They had a pack of wet dry sandpaper. There are a few packs that were basically about 120 up to 3,000. And what I did is I also went and purchased a palm sander. And this just happens to be the one I got. They had some that were cheaper, which I would have gotten. It's just they didn't have them in stock. So this is, in fact, I have a lot of Black & Decker tools or DeWalt tools. So I just said, hey, let me get another one. What the heck? Anyway, what I ended up doing, and I want to show you, I put the sandpaper on. I had to use 2 pieces because it wasn't quite wide enough. And let me just show you there. That's actually 2 pieces there. But it covered it, and then basically I had to be very careful as I went and started sanding to remove the different stains that were on the headlights. So what I did is I started with the 320, which is what's on there now, and then I went to 400 to 600 to 800 to 1,000, 1,200, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, then 3,000. And once that was done, I used rubbing compound. And once the rubbing compound was done, I actually put that on with a rotary tool, or you can get a drill attachment and put it on that way. I guess you could actually do it by hand too. But in any event, I used I had a rotary device, so I just used that. And then once that was done, basically I put a wax on. So I haven't decided if I'm going to use a Clearcoat again or not. I didn't use it the first time. Somebody must have. But also what I want to do, because I had a little problem. The first time I did it, I just used the masking tape. People tell you put masking tape around and so forth. I did that, except I obviously wasn't careful enough, and I dinged up my my front, I guess, bumper. But it's mine, so it's okay. And actually, I'll probably get some paint or something and try and touch that up at some point. But what I did next go round, that was with this light. I put the masking tape on, and you can see I made it nice and wide. And then once the masking tape was on, I put duct tape over it because I did not believe that the touching, if it touched, that it would go through the duct tape and the masking tape. In fact, there's one spot right here. It does show it actually did just slightly. It did, but it didn't get through the both tapes. So I did that as a safety precaution because hey, nobody wants to have to fix extra things on their cars. But bottom line is, this is the finished product. You can see it's nice and shiny at this point. Everything's clear. But those are things that they didn't tell you whenever you were talking about getting anything that was really major on your headlight off. So I hope this helps, and keep going, do-it-yourselfers.